Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, just a moment. Let me take one question. Yeah. Okay, so I got one question. Okay, so this is the question. The question is saying that okay, car is traveling at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. The car travels 30 kilometer at a uniform speed. It means that the car is moving with this speed with okay. There is no change in the speed in this like for this distance. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. Okay. And the speed was 40 kilometer per hour for 30 kilometer, right? And the next 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So you can see this thing in the next, like first 30 kilometer, which has been covered with the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. And the next 30 kilometer has been covered with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Yes or no? Okay. So you can see this thing. There is no like the speed is changing in each interval. Yes or no, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. So we have to find the average speed with which we can travel, and we basically cover this distance in the same amount of time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So solution. So first of all, the first 30 kilometer has been covered with the uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. So first of all, speed is equal to distance upon time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Distance upon time. So you can see this thing. I am going to basically denote this as distance 1, and this is speed 1, and I'm going to denote this as distance 2 and speed 2. Got it? So S1, sorry, not S1, D1. D1 distance 1 is 30 kilometer per hour. Sorry, 30 kilometer. And speed 1 will be 40 kilometer per hour. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
similarly, distance 2 is equals to 30 again,
Yes, sir.
and speed 2 is equals to 20 kilometer per hour. Okay. So everybody, please tell me, there will be some time taken by this body to cover this distance, yes or no, if it's traveling with 40 km per hour.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me,
No.
both the time will be same or different? Like
Sir,
in each
that
case,
would be same.
okay, Arhan said time would be same. What about you, Saad and Samia?
Sir,
Different.
I'm saying, so let me, I'm repeating the question. I'm saying that these two are the cases, right? Distance is same, speed is different. So will this object will take same amount of time with this speed, or it will take different amount of time to cover this distance with different speed?
So same time.
sir, same.
It will take same amount of time.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes,
अच्छा ठीक है. चलो okay चलो ठीक है. Let me ask one question. Suppose Arhan, you are going with a speed of 10 km per hour. You suppose instead of 10 km per hour, you are going with a car. ठीक है. ठीक है, you are going with the car. Samia, you are going by walk. 10 km you are going. The distance is 10 km to okay. Journey is of 10 km. So Arhan is going by car and Samia is going by walk. Who will reach first, or who will cover the 10 km distance first? Arhan or Samia?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. Who will cover the distance first, Arhan or Samia? Tell me, Mr. Saad, Samia, Arhan. Arhan will cover the distance
Sir,
faster because Arhan is going with a higher speed.
Yes, sir.
So you can see this thing. This speeds are different. This is, I know that distance is same. This is also the case. Distance is same, but Arhan is going by car and Samia is going by walk. So both speed are different. So it will take different time because speeds are different. Huh?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
See. Speeds are different. So I'm going to I'm applying the formula of speed is equals to difference upon time. S1 is equals to D1 by T1. I need T1 because I don't have any time. Speed is given to you, but I don't have time. Yes or no? So what
Yes,
I will
sir.
do is that I will modify this one, and T1 will be equals to D1. Just by S1. So put the values. So D1 is 30 km per hour. Sorry, 30 km and speed is 40. Okay. So it will be in hours. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it, everybody?
Okay,
Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Because it is in kilometer per hour. Yes or no? So time would be in hours. Okay. So this will cancel this. So it would be 3 by 4 hours. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is our equation one.
Yes,
Okay. Now similarly, S2 will be S2 will be equals to D2 by T2.
Yes, sir.
So T2 will be equals to D2 by S2. Put the values. It would be 30 by 20. So this will cancel. This will be in hours. So this will be 3 by 2 hour. So this is equation number 2. So now you can see this thing. These two are the halves. You can say these two are the interval of time to cover the journey of 60 km. These two are the time because first time taken by the car is 3 by 4 hours, and the second journey has been covered in 3.2 hours, 3 by 2 hours. So this will be the total time to cover the whole journey. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that total
Yes, sir.
time will be equals. So I can write total time will be equals to T1. I will tell you why I am doing this because I hope you got. If you just a second. Total time is T1 plus T2. So this would be 3 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equals to take the LCM, or you can cross. Okay, you can do one thing, cross multiply them. So 3 4s are 3 into 4 plus 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 2. Got it? Yes or no, everybody? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Saad, Samia, Rahan, please let me know. Is this clear to you or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. That's good. So 3 fours are 12 plus 3 2 is 6 divided by 6. Oh, sorry, 8. So this would be 12 and 6, 18 by 8. So this is coming out to be 2 9 is 18, 2 4 is 10. And
2.25.
yes, Arhan, you said something?
Sir, 2.25.
Yes, 2.25, but I'm not going to, you can say, divided or basically converted into decimal, because I can see this thing that total distance, that D1 and D2 is basically a multiple of 6 or 3. So I can easily cancel it out. So 9 by 4, got it? Because instead of doing instead of converting into decimal, so it will take your extra time to calculate. Okay. So that's why I'm not going to convert it. So I will, okay. Now you can see this thing. If you are saying that 2.25, that will be also correct. But one thing you will have to do is that you have to again convert this decimal into fractions to divide it. Because basically division in decimals is very difficult. I got it, everybody, yes or no?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not saying this is wrong. This is also correct, but this is time consuming. So because if this question appears in your exam, so we don't have that much amount of time to solve these questions in such a manner. Okay. So that's why here smart work is necessary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now everybody
Yes,
tell
sir.
me total distance will be equals to
D1 plus D2. Sir, D1 plus D2.
total distance is D1 plus D2. It is 30 plus 30 is coming out to be 60 kilometer. So if this is 60 kilometer, so you can see this thing that 60. Now, what is the formula of average speed?
So total distance upon total time taken.
Now you got my point.
Total example.
Very good, very good. Total distance by total time. Now you got my point. Why I have calculated total time?
Yes, sir.
Because I need to find the average speed. So to get the average speed, I need the total time. Okay. So average speed is 60 divided by 9 by 4. So this 4 will go in the numerator, yes or no, everybody? Because this is a double division. So 60
Yes.
into 4 divided by 9. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
cancel this by 3 is a 9 and 20. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, sir. So this would be, so that this would be 80 by 3 kilometer per hour. So it's up to you. You can convert it into like this 26.67 kilometer per hour. Both are correct. If you basically leave this in fraction, that will not affect your answer, or not, it will not deduct. No one can deduct your marks on the basis of that. Okay. I hope all of you got my point. Please let me know once, Bacho.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts so far to anybody? Please let me
No, sir.
know.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, theek hai. Okay, that's very good. That's very good. Okay. So if I give you one question, Bacho, would you like to try?
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes,
that's
sir.
good. That's good. Chalo, theek hai, that's good. Saad, Arham, Arya, Samya, is this clear, Bacho? Please let me know once.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo, that's good. That's good. So basically, I'm not scrolling this. I'm just giving. So I'm just scrolling a little bit so that you can take the reference. Is it visible? The question is visible to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
theek hai. So this is the basically the actual answer like this. theek hai. Please let me know the answer.
So we have to find the average speed.
Sorry, everyone. Actually, there was a glitch in the network. Sorry for that.
So we have to find the average speed, right?
What is question saying? Just a moment. You have to find the average. Nani, just a second. On a track of just a moment. On a track of 120, the traveling speed is how much fast must the train travel the next 90 kilometers? Then you have to find the speed with which the train should travel to have an average of 60 kilometer for the entire trip. Average speed is given to you, that is 60 kilometer per hour. You have to find that with which speed the train should travel the 90 kilometer to basically equalize the average speed as 60 kilometer.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, average speed is given. Try it at least. Don't worry about the answer. The answer from anybody, please let me know.
I found the answer.
Okay, that's good, Arhan. That's good. Right. Okay, no worries, Saad, don't worry, Michi. I'll explain. At least that's a good thing that at least you have tried.
I was fine.
Okay, okay. Okay. ठीक है अरहान. Samia, let me know the answer in the chat.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है सर. ठीक ठीक. Okay, let me solve it. Okay. So question is saying that 120-kilometer track is there and train travels the first 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. So the first distance, that is distance 1 covered by the train is 30 kilometer per 30 kilometer, and so it has covered 30 kilometer covered with the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. Question next thing is that how fast must the train travels the next 90 kilometers? So the distance D2 is 90 kilometer, and we have to find the speed 2. Okay. And the average speed is S. I'm taking S as 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. So first of all, what is the formula of average speed?
The total distance upon total time.
Total distance upon total time. Do I have total time?
No, sir.
No,
Do I
sir.
have total distance?
So we have to divide 120 by 60 to find the total time.
Yes, Arhan, you said something which your voice is a little bit lagging.
So we have to divide 120 by 60 to get the total time.
Yes, very good, very good. Because total distance is given to you, and total distance is given to you, and average speed is given to you. To apply, so we can get the value of total time, average speed is equals to total distance. Total time. Okay. So average speed is given to you. So S is given to you, S upon S is equals to D by T. So S is equals to given to you, that is 60. Is equals to D. Total distance is given to you 30 plus 90. 120 track, 120 kilometer track is there. Okay, so it would be 120 divided by T. Okay, so T will be equals to 120 divided by 60. Saad got it, which is Samia Rahan got it. So it is 2 hours.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I have got the speed as 2 got the time, total time as 2 hours. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Now it's time. Yeah. Now very good. So you can see this thing here. Let's calculate the individual time. Okay. So the next thing is S1 is equals to D1 by T. Okay. That would be equals to. So S1 is given to you, that is S1 is given to you, that is 30 kilometer per hour, is equals to D1 is also given to you, that is 30 kilometer. T1 is not given to you, that you have to find. So T1 will be equals to 30 by 30 hours. So this is coming out to be 1 hour. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if this
Yes.
is if this is 1 hour, if this is 1 hour, so this would be 1 hour. 2 minus 1 will be 1 hour. Okay. So total time is T. So now you are saying that now you will be thinking that time is taking same, but you can see also see the speed is also 90-kilometer distance is there. If the speed is increasing, so distance is also getting increased. Yes or no? Okay. Both
Sir.
in the previous
Yes,
cases,
sir.
we have same distance to cover. Okay. But in this case, distance are different. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I hope you got my point, everybody.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chalo, that's good. Okay. So I need T2. So T2 will be equals to T minus T1.
Yes, sir.
That is T is 2 minus 1. That is equals to 1 hour. I hope you all got my point. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubts
sir.
so far to anybody? Please
No,
once again.
No, sir.
Saad,
No, sir.
Farhan, Samia.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saad, have you got my point here? You didn't get this answer, bache. So I hope this is clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. That's good. So let's do one more question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm giving you one question. At least try. If not, we will solve it together. Don't worry about the solution. Just at least implement the things that we have done in the class. Okay. The main motive is to the main motive in the class is to implement. It doesn't matter how you got wrong or right answer. By the time you will also get the right answer, but in the initial phases, it's important to implement the things. Okay. Please solve it and let me know the answer.
I found the answer, sir.
Okay, and that's very good. Let me know the answer in the chat. Samya, Saad, any answer from you, Bacho?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Arhan. Okay, what about you, Saad? Please tell me which year. Saad, any answer from your side, Bache?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, you got. चलो ठीक है सर, कोई बात नहीं. Let's confirm that whether you got the right answer or not. Everybody, please look at the screen first. So, this question is, so it's a straightforward question. So in this, with each, like the question is saying that the speed is given to you and the time is given to you in both the cases, right? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So question is saying that what is the average speed of the train? Okay. So first of all, total time will be nothing but train travels at the speed of this for 0.52 hours and 30 kilometer for next 2.24 hours, and then at 0.71 hours. Okay. So total time, so first of all, is will be T1 plus T2 plus T3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Saad, Arhan, Sami, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. Okay. So total time will be equals to T1 plus T plus T2 plus T3. So it is 0.52 hours, 0.52 plus 0.24 plus 0.71. So add them up, this will become 7.7 and 0.76, 0.76 and 7.75, 1.55, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let me
sir.
confirm it from
Yes,
calculator
sir.
as well. 0.52 plus
Sir, it's 1.47.
0.24. Just a moment. 0.71. हाँ 1.47. ठीक है. 1.47 hours, right? So now we have got the total. Calculate the total distance. Okay. So to get the total distance, you can see this thing, speed and time is given. So to get the distance, can I multiply speed into time to get the distance on everybody in each case? S1 is equals to D1 by
Yes, sir.
T1. I need D1. So what I will do, I will multiply S1 and T1.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that would become D1 is equals to S1 is basically equals to 60 into 0.52 is coming out to be 31.2 something. 31.2. Okay. Kilometer. Okay. S2 will be equals to same case. Always write the formula to okay, whatever you are calculating, okay, because this will
Yes, sir.
impact on your teacher. Okay. Yeah. So S2 into T2. So S2 is what is S2 30 into 0.24. So that is coming out to be 7.2. Okay. And S3 is equals to D3 by T3. So S3 will be D3 will be equals to S3 is kitna 70 into 0.71. So this is coming out to be 7. This is coming out to be the 7 and 47. Got it. So it is coming out to 14.7. Yes or no, everybody? 49.7. Sorry, 49.7. 49. 7 and 49 होता है ना? 49.7 kilometer. ठीक है. The total distance would be D1 plus D2 plus D3. So this is coming out to be 31.2 plus 7.2. That's what everybody. And next is 49.7. So total distance is coming out to be 88.1 kilometer. Okay. So now we have got the total distance as well as total time. Total time was already given to yes or no, Baju?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt so far to anybody?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. So now it's time to calculate. So this would be average speed equals to total distance by total time. Is equals to 88.1 divided by what was the total time? I think 1.47.
1.47.
So 1.47. 1.47. So this is coming out to be, if we divide this, this will come out to be 59.9 kilometer per hour. Okay. So Samya and Arhan, you got the right answer. Saad, I think you made a mistake there while
Okay.
solving.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So please
Yeah.
rectify
Okay.
where you have made mistake. So everybody,
Okay, sir.
have you written it down in your notebooks?
Yes, sir.
This question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to anybody, please let me know once.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Acha, one more thing I would like to ask. So, how many of you are having exams in May or June?
Sir, I am having exams in
Sir,
May.
I don't know. Sir, I don't know when I have
Okay,
my
ठीक है.
exams.
Sir, I am
Okay,
having
okay,
my
Saad.
exam from 3rd May.
3rd May. So, what are the chapters coming in that?
Sir, motion.
So, okay, ठीक है. So, ठीक है, Samia. What about you, Saad? Sorry, Arhan. Saad is Saad have no idea about this. चलो कोई बात नहीं, Saad. What about you, Arhan? When you will
It's,
be having your exam?
sir, it's only motion.
It's only motion. What are the dates?
Sir, let me check, sir.
Okay, take your time. Give me the date. Whoa.
Sir, it's from 14th May.
14th May. So, अच्छा ठीक है. So, Samia is having on 3rd May. Is your exam on 3rd May, Samia?
Sir, my science exam is starting from 14th May, and otherwise it's starting from 11th May.
Your science is on 14th. Okay, okay, ठीक है. Samia, when is your science exam, dear? Samia? Samia, are you there, dear? Samia, please respond. Is she in the class? She's in the class. What happened here? Samia, is my voice not audible to you, dear? Yeah. What happened? Arhan and Saad, is my voice audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
अच्छा ठीक 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 चलो I think सामिया की कुछ सामिया please unmute yourself if you want to like speak. I think you have muted yourself. अच्छा one more thing बच्चों, after this class you will be having an assessment of average velocity and speed. Okay, so please check this out. Okay, don't skip that. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. अच्छा before basically stop. Just let me add. अच्छा चलो let I'm adding one point here. Please everybody write this point here. That average velocity, like average speed of a moving body can never be zero. Okay, because average speed is a positive quantity. Okay, but average velocity can be zero because if displacement is zero, if suppose that body has started from its initial position and again gets back to its initial position, what is the displacement?
It's a 0.
Zero. If you talk about average velocity, displacement by total time, 0 upon total time, what it will become?
0.
Zero. Got it?
Zero.
But distance cannot be zero. Okay. If you have traveled, even if you have make a circle, so you have covered distance of 2 pi r. Okay. Distance is covered. Displacement is zero in this case. Okay. So average speed can never be zero, but average velocity can be. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
The velocity can also be negative, meanwhile speed cannot.
Cannot. Yes. I think I've written this in the properties of velocity and speed as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Speed can be negative, speed cannot be negative, and velocity can be because vector quantity is the negative sign. Okay, no. I will tell you negative sign. Negative, suppose that I will assume I'm taking this direction. If you talk about the vector quantity or velocity or displacement, I'm taking this thing as positive. So opposite direction will be negative. Negative 20 meter as displacement shows that the body, basically the motion in this direction, but the displacement is in this direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It means that opposite direction. Negative sign shows only the direction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
The average speed. Moving body can never be zero. Yeah. But the average is velocity. Okay, everybody got it or not? Please tell me once.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt so far to anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Just a moment. Okay, Samya, Rahan, and Saad, please attempt the assessment. Okay, after this class. Okay, don't
Yes,
miss
sir.
it out. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Just a minute. Acha, tell me this question. Tell me the answer in the chat. Okay, Saad. Okay, Saad. Oh, ठीक है सामिया. Okay, बच्चे. Okay. I missed one thing. So just a moment. I missed one thing. I missed one thing is that I didn't. Uh, just a second. Now, let me. Just these are the options. 15 question. So these are the ABCD options. So the following is correct. Okay, so 49 have only this option, but 15th option is main options are these. Okay. Let me correct your answers in the chat. If anybody gave me the answer for this.
Sir, I gave the answer to the both.
ठीक है सर. ठीक है रहन. ठीक है रहन. Okay. अच्छा एक साथ give me the answer in one message only, because if you give me explicit answers now I will get confused a little bit, so that's
Okay,
why
sir.
please message answer
Okay.
merge the answers.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है सामिया साल अरहान which answer Arhan, any answer from your side here?
Yes, sir.
Any answer?
Sir, I gave it.
अच्छा you have given the answer ठीक है अच्छा 49 C 15 C ठीक है चलो अच्छा okay so question is okay let's find it okay question is saying that which of the following is correct regarding the speed regarding velocity and speed of a moving body okay so question next let's analyze the options the option one is velocity of a moving body is always higher than its speed so is it possible that velocity of a body is always higher than its speed
No, sir.
Okay, Arhan said no. What about rest of you, Saad and Samia?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Yes, it
No,
is
sir.
wrong because velocity is the ratio of displacement and time, and displacement can be less than or equal to distance. It means that velocity have the option that it can be less than or equal to speed. Okay, it cannot be higher than speed. Okay. Next option is speed of a moving body is always higher than its velocity. Is it possible that speed is always higher than its velocity?
No, sir.
Always word. Yes, Saad, you said something? Arhan?
No, sir.
No. Okay, yes. What about rest of you, Saad and Samia? Samia?
No, sir.
No. Okay, because the speed can be equal to the maximum. It can be equal to velocity. Velocity and speed can like maximum. They can be equalize each other. Okay, so that's why it will all not or it will not always higher than its velocity. C option is speed of a moving body is velocity in a given direction. Speed of a moving body is its velocity in a given direction. Is velocity a vector quantity? Is speed a vector quantity? Sorry.
No, sir.
Hello?
Speed is
No,
a
sir.
scalar
No,
quantity.
no. Speed is a
Yes,
scalar
sir.
quantity. So a direction cannot be given to speed.
No, sir.
Okay. So the option left is D. So D is the correct option. Velocity of a moving body is its speed in a given direction. If you in the magnitude of the speed, if you add direction, it will become velocity. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. How many of you got this answer? Please tell me. Who's like tell me the how many of you got the correct answer as 49D?
Sir, I got confused between the last two options.
Last two options. Take it. Take it. So what was I think you were C, your was C.
Yes, sir.
Take. What about Sami and Saad?
Sir, I got the right answer.
Yeah, I got B.
You got the right answer. अच्छा, you got B. चलो ठीक है. I hope that you got my points.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Next question: which of the following can sometimes be zero for a moving body? So four quantities are given to you: average velocity, distance traveled, average speed, and displacement. अच्छा, first of all, distance travel cannot be zero for a moving body. I've already told you. Okay, so this cannot be the option. Average speed is nothing but total distance by total time. If body is moving, so total distance, some distance would be covered.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Bacho?
Yes,
So
sir.
it means that 2 and 3 are not in this option. Only 1 and 4 will be the options. So which one? Yes, C option is the correct one. How many of you got this answer? Please tell me.
Sir, I got it correct.
Sir, I got
You
the
got
correct.
it? Sure, that's good. Okay,
I
so
got
this
A.
was the okay, that's good. That's good. So good. So I hope you all of you got my point. What I'm trying to say. Any doubt from anybody?
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So let's keep this class here, everybody. Okay. So this topic is done. Okay. So please attempt the assessment.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and
Okay, sir.
please don't miss the assessment, okay? Because assessment is very important, okay? So yeah, that's why I'm saying. Okay, so that's all for this class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz. Bye.